We want to tell a story of the capseller and the monkeys. One day, a capseller making his way to a distant town. Suddenly, he was tired. He
sat on.
Bukan. Taro tuh apa? Taro.
Put.
He put basket full of caps.
And he sat
And
under the
he
tree.
sat on the tree. And he ate his lunch. Um 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 um. Then there was no hurry. He soon falls asleep. But he did not know. Not just in a spot under the tree, there lived a group of monkeys. The monkeys saw the cap full of cups on the basket, and he wanted to play it with him. He grabbed slowly one by one. Toc, toc, toc. And he grabbed the cap. Toc, 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 toc. The capsuler woke up. He was shocked. He found the cap was stolen. He shouted, "My caps! My caps! My caps have been stolen!" His eyes got a movement. He took the monkeys, wearing all of his caps. Is speaking about angrily. Then the monkey imitated him. Oing! They give them an idea. He waved his hands. So the monkeys immediately. He took the cap and flung to the ground. He jumped up and down. So did the monkeys. He took the cap and flung to the ground. So the monkeys took the cap and flung them down. So the capseller rapihin tuh apa?
Tidy up.
Clean up his caps. He go to merrily on his way. Tamat.